Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove email account in your mobile. So first of all, go to your phone setting. Now I am showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Before start video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So scroll down, go to user and account, select Google and select the deleted email. Tap onto two dot and finally click onto remove account. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily delete Gmail account in your mobile device.